All right. So, as we make progress with our study, with our learning, before we talk about how to use TradingView from the last video that I talked about, I want us to look at the next thing we actually have on our trading curriculum, which is who is a broker, how to open an account with a broker, and then how to log in your MT4 and MT5 accounts with your broker. How to log in your account rather, sorry, on MT4 or MT5. That's simply because that's the way we get to access the forex market. You need a broker at all times to access the forex market. Like that's the you remember I said before, now it used to be the big guys, yeah, and then the barrier entry keeps coming down and coming down. So one of the people who actually came into the picture that make it easier for people with lesser capital to be able to trade the foreign exchange markets are the people that we call the brokers. Now, who is a broker? Of course, let's check Google again. It said a forex broker is a company or individual that acts as an intermediary between buyers and sellers of currencies, executing orders on their behalf. Brokers are paid a commission by the buyer, seller, or both parties. Broker allow people to participate in the global financial system by buying and selling of currencies. So what this means is that remember the analogy of naira and dollar that we gave. The fact is that for you to buy dollar, there must be someone that is willing to sell for you. That's the fact. But in the global market, so brokers are people that now come together and merge the trading orders of different kind of market players all around the world. So take for example, I opened down my MT4 and good. So remember I spoke about base and quotes currencies, yeah? And I told you that you would see some prices inside MT4. So these are those prices. So each of these prices that you can see here for USD JPY, you see 158.38 raised to power that fluctuating number here. So what it means is that USD is the base currency, JPY is the quote currency. So you need 158 Japanese yen to get 1 USD. You need 195 Japanese yen to get 1 GBP. That's for GBP USD. And then you need 1.0294 or 95 USD to get 1 euro. So that's the meaning of all these things that you're seeing here. But however, let's make progress with where we were before we came here. So this is MT4, and I'm saying that this is GBP USD, for example. When I open the chart and say, this is GU, from what I can see, I want to buy GU. The fact is that when you are buying GU, which is GBP USD, it means that you are buying pounds and selling dollar. Get this analogy because GBP is the base currency. So oftentimes when you are buying or selling, you are often dealing with the base currencies, although they are pegged together. Follow me, you will understand me. Take USD NGN for example. When you buy the USD NGN, that means you are buying the dollar, selling the naira. A good example is you've packed your naira and went to bury the change. Giving the naira, you say you want to buy dollar. As you are buying the dollar, what are you actually doing? You are selling the naira. You are giving out the naira to get the dollar. Do you get it? And when you say you want to sell your dollar back, you are selling the dollar to buy naira. That is to collect back the naira. I hope it's making sense. So oftentimes we are always dealing with the base currency. So when you are buying the base currency, which is GBP in this case, it means you are selling the dollar because if you want to put it in physical terms, that means you had pounds and you wanted to exchange it for dollar. And in a scenario where you are selling the dollar, that means where you are selling the pounds, I beg your pardon, it means you are selling the pounds to buy the dollar. But in this case, looking at what brokers do for us, looking at what the CFD market has given us the opportunity to participate in, you don't have to be holding dollar or pounds to be able to buy or sell them. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like in this case now, you don't have to, for example, if you want to sell GBP USD, that means that you are selling pounds to buy dollar. You don't have to have bought pounds before to be able to sell it. You can just enter the market with a sell position. That's one of the beautiful things that brokers brought into play. So by default, once you sell GBP, that means there is someone at the other end willing to sell dollar to you. So brokers come together, they pick orders from different traders all around the globe where they have their customer base, and then they match up their orders together. So take for example, this is a live account though, but I just want to test something for us. So let me use the smallest lot size and let me click a buy. This is one of my small accounts. So as you can see, that's it. I've bought GBP USD. What this simply implies is that I've bought pounds and I'm selling dollar. As you can see, I was not holding any dollar before in the real sense, but that is just it. And I also clicked on buy, of course, because this is not my first time in the market, and based on what I'm seeing, the market may most likely buy from here. So let me just put my stop loss at 1.2320, and then we'll continue with our lesson. 1.2320. Now this is not how you trade though, remember, but let us focus on why we are here. So a broker are people or is someone that gives us the opportunity to be able to interact and interface with other market participants by filling our orders. So we just bought the GBP USD, for example, you can see, and that is that about that. So the next question will now be that this is me taking a trade already. So the question will be, how do I open an account with a broker? So first off, the broker I use is HFM, formerly Hot Forex. They are the only ones I've been using for a while. And of course, my referral link will be pegged somewhere in the group description or in the YouTube description of this video. So you can just click on that. So once you click on that, obviously it will take you to a web page where you would sign up. You get the idea, to take you to a web page where you would sign up, and let's check it out. For example, so HFM broker. So this is it. It should bring you to somewhere around here, and then you click on it so you can sign up. So you can see register. You click on register, and then you just follow through the entire process. That's how you register with a broker. There is difference between registering with a broker and then opening a trading account. So the fact is, you cannot open a trading account without a broker. You have to first register with a broker and then create a trading account with the broker. So having created an account with HFM, of course, you can use them either through their app or through the web platform. So as for me, I downloaded their app, and this is their app. So I've opened an account with HFM as a platform or as a broker. Now this is their board or their dashboard once I open. Of course, this is opening straight up because I've logged in. So you have to log into, and when you check the top here, you see select trading account. Then you click on it. So when you select your trading account, you see live accounts. This is a smaller account here. You see demo. I obviously don't have any demo accounts because I've been trading live for a while. And then you see your wallet. Wallet is where you transfer money to before you can transfer it to your live account. But let us take everything step by step. You can see a live account here because I have this particular live account here with HFM as a broker. Admin, I do not have a live account. Then I can click on open trading accounts. You can see it takes me to the next page, and then there are different kind of accounts that we would still talk about. So there's the Pro Plus. You can see the details here. Minimum deposits spread from 2 pips. There's the Pro minimum deposit $100 spread from 0.6 pip. There's the zero spread account, but here you pay commission. And then there's the normal premium account, and there's the cent account, which is what I was talking about earlier, that some broker even allow you to fund $5. So with a cent account, you can see no minimum deposit. When you fund $1 inside the cent account, it will turn that $1 to like 10,000 cents or 1,000. It's just a funny thing anyways, but there's nothing I want to do with it. So you click the one you want. Personally, I recommend Pro, or zero spread, depending on who you are. That's for fast execution. But zero spread comes with commission here, and Pro also has a minimum funding of $100. Personally, I do Pro Plus because I don't pay commission, and then the spread is also as tiny as possible. In our future classes, we'll talk about spread so that you can understand what I'm talking about. However, if you don't have $250, you don't have $100, then you can either open a zero spread account that will charge you commission. So I don't encourage you to do that as a beginner. I encourage you to start with premium and then you continue. So remember we spoke about different platforms here. So you can choose the platform you want, MT4 or MT5. You can see that with MT5 you can trade up to 1,200 instruments, but on MT4 you can only trade 150 instruments. But as for me, all the instruments I trade are on MT4. So I really don't have reasons to, maybe open an MT5 or something, since I trade synthetic on MT5. And then I click on continue. So you can see they would ask you to create a password for your account. You create the password, you open the account. Once you open the account, they will send the details to your email. We will do that with a demo account so you can see, because whatever password this is an open class, so I can't open a live account and then my password will be visible to you guys. So to open a demo account, it's also the same process. This time around, you click on demo. So let's do this together. Open a demo account, demo premium, demo zero, demo contest. This is for their competition. But for now, you are here to learn. After you've learned, you can participate in their competition, and who knows, you may win something from there. So I'll choose demo zero, click on continue. You see, you select the currency USD, that's there by default. Select account balance. Let's just do 5K. I really don't need 100K. Account nickname. Let's just give it the name demo test. And then let's choose a password. Let's choose demo test. Demo test star 1 2 3 4. Oh, uppercase and lowercase. Okay. Demo test. We've made a mistake. Thank God it didn't go. All right. So demo test star 1 2 3 4, and then you check this box to agree, and then you open the account. Let's go. So right away they bring you the details. Can you see your trading account details have been sent to my mail? So if it were to be a live account too, of course they'll display it before you, but they'll still send it to your account too, so you can be able to access it. Now, what do you now need to log in this account on your MT4? You need your trading account ID, which is this 414150115. So you click on it to copy. You've copied it. Every other thing, you pay attention to your server too. So the server for this one is HF Market SV Demo server. You need to pay attention to it, because if you log in the wrong account, No, if you log in the right account on a wrong server, it still will not log you in. So let's head straight away to MT4. This is MT4. Okay, the trade we opened earlier is currently in a loss, but that's not why we are here. So we click on manage accounts, then we add account. So you can see log into an existing account. You are not clicking on open a demo account. If you click on that one, MT4 themselves will open an account for you, but that's not why we are here. So you are logging into an existing account. Now, most likely because maybe I've logged in a demo account here before, you can see that the demo server is here by default. But in your case that it may not be there, you have to search it out again, which is HF Market Good. You can see that it is bringing different server. So you have to really go back. That's if you did not cram it very well. And look at the server details very well. So this one is HF Markets SV demo server. When you check this one, can you see that we have HF Markets KM demo server? If you choose that one, it won't go. This is SV demo server here. Then you click on it, you paste your login, and what's your password? Remember our password, demo test star 1234. Sign in. Voila. So that's how you create an account with a broker and then you log it in on MT4. Then you can come here and of course, having analyzed the charts and whatever asset it is that you want to trade, you click on your buy options and then this is a $5,000 account. So we can just do 0.2 and you can see we are in, this one is currently in profit, but this is not how we trade anyways. I'm buying because we also bought from the previous accounts here. So can you see that there is commission? When we get to the section where we talk about spread, we'll talk about what a zero spread account is, why there's a commission here. Because when you go back to check the accounts here for the trade we took, under here you realize that there is no commission here. Check that very well. So this is one of my small accounts that I'm using to test something that I just learned from my mentor. So there's no commission on that account, but there is commission on this particular account, which is minus $1.2. I believe we've come to the end of this particular segment where we are talking about who is a broker, how to open an account with a broker, and then how to log in that account on your MT4 or your MT5. And if it is match trader too, for those who may have to use a what do they call their name now? uh Prop firm. Yes, in the future it's the same thing. You download the Match Trader app or C Trader app and then you copy your login details and you log in the same way. So we've come to the end of this particular class. I do hope everything is making sense and you are enjoying your lessons. At whatever point you have questions, please pen them down, ask on the group, and then we make progress together. I'll see you on the other side. Cheers and God bless.